Empower and Current both offer banking tools designed to help users manage spending. But they handle overdraft protection differently, because Empower focuses on cash advances and financial insights, while Current provides banking features with tools designed around account management. By the end, you'll know how Empower and Current compare, what features can help prevent overdraft problems, and which option may fit your spending habits better. Empower is built around helping users understand their finances and access money before payday, through features like cash advances for eligible users. The app also provides financial tools that help users track their money and monitor account activity. Current works more like a digital banking platform. It provides checking account features, spending tools, and account controls that help users manage how money moves in and out of their account. The biggest difference is how each service approaches the problem. Empower focuses more on giving users visibility into their finances and access to funds when eligible. Current focuses on banking features that help users manage everyday spending. Overdraft surprises usually happen when spending is not tracked closely, or when automatic payments hit an account unexpectedly. The best tool is the one that helps you notice your balance before those transactions happen. With Empower, users who want budgeting information and financial insights may find the app useful because it focuses on understanding spending patterns. With Current, users who prefer a banking-style experience may benefit from having account controls and spending management features directly connected to their checking account. Neither app can completely prevent overdraft issues if spending exceeds available money. The most reliable approach is checking your balance regularly, reviewing upcoming payments, and using alerts when available. Before choosing between Empower and Current, think about what problem you are trying to solve. If you mainly need help understanding your finances and accessing short-term funds, Empower may match that goal. If you want a digital checking experience with spending controls, Current may be a better fit. The better choice depends on your daily money habits. An app with useful features only helps when you actively use the tools it provides. The key points are simple. Empower focuses on financial insights and cash access features. Current focuses on digital banking and account management. Avoiding overdraft surprises comes down to choosing the system that helps you monitor spending consistently. The next step is to review both apps, compare their available features, and choose the one that matches how you handle your money. If this comparison helped, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other finance app comparisons before choosing your next money tool.